My Max channel. Today we'll discuss mainly on the consequence of tax evasion. Evade tax, evade tax intentionally or assist other person to evade tax. So tax evasion. The penalty is first offense, fine of 10 times up to 20 times of the amount of sales tax or imprisonment of not exceeding 5 years or both. This is the sales tax legal act, 2018 section 86(1) and 86(2). Second or subsequent offense, fine 20 times up to 40 times of the amount of sales tax or imprisonment of not exceeding 7 years. This is second time. First time is 5 years. Alright, second time will be 7 years. The amount of the tax evasion cannot be ascertained. Fine of 50,000 up to 500,000 or imprisonment of not exceeding 7 years or both. So this is Sales Tax Act 2018, Act 806, Section 86(3). So the party who assists in preparation of false tax statement, fine will be 2,000 to 20,000 or imprisonment of not exceeding 3 years or both. This is under Sales Tax 2018, Section 86(4). So similar penalties for tax evasion also stipulate in Service Tax Act 2018, Act 807, Section 71. So today I have discussed about the sales and service tax and also the consequence. So as I mentioned just now, sales and service tax enforced on 1st September 2018. It consists of two parts, right? It consists of two parts. One is sales tax, the other is service tax. So sales tax is a tax levied only once on various taxable goods at the stage of manufacturing or during the importation. And service tax is actually a tax levied on consumer who receive the taxable service such as hotel service, insurance and tobacco, food and beverage preparation, telecommunication, and the credit card. Right, all these are actually service tax. So inclusive of telecommunication and credit card. Manufacturers or importers with sales value of taxable goods exceeding 500,000 per annum shall register under STA, Sales Tax Act 2018. What is Sales Tax Act? It's actually written rule that law need to be followed by all the manufacturers and importers. Service provider with value of taxable service exceeding threshold of 500,000 per annum, as well as food and beverage service provider with value of taxable service exceeding threshold of 1.5 million per annum, shall register under Service Tax Act 2018. Tax collection is the responsibility of service provider. On the government's behalf, service tax must be collected from the customer who receive the service. Service tax collected by the service provider will be paid to the government with a designated period. So sales and service tax is not imposed in tax-free territories, example Langkawi Island and Pangkalan Kubo Kelantan. Alright, so you can scan the QR code for the list of the taxable good and list of the taxable service. And then this is the consequence of the tax evasion of the sales good and for the sales and service tax. So evade tax intentionally or assist other person to evade the tax. The first offense is fined 10 times up to 20 times the amount of the sales tax, or imprisonment of not exceeding 5 years. Okay, not exceeding 5 years. Okay, this is under Sales Tax Act 201 Act 2806 Section 86 bracket 1 and 86 bracket 2. For the second subsequent offense, fine up to 20 times or 40 times the amount of the sales tax, or imprisonment of not exceeding 7 years, or both. So the amount of tax evasion cannot be ascertained. The fine is 50,000 to 500,000, and the imprisonment of not exceeding 7 years, or both. For the amount of tax evasion that cannot be ascertained. For the party who assists in preparation of the false tax statement, fine 2,000 up to 20,000, or imprisonment of not exceeding 3 years, or both. This is under Sales Tax Act 2018 Section 86(4). Right, all these are the penalty and the legal act. Okay, if there is a tax evasion. Okay, so I have discussed sales and service tax and also the consequence of the tax evasion. So we will actually discuss more on the how to calculate income tax in my next video lesson. That's all for today's sharing. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.